We're online. Hey everyone, it's Smack205. It's been a little while since I've done a stream, and nobody's on it yet because I have not posted it on the forum yet. And so I'm gonna just check over this post real quick. I'm just gonna pop a I am live on and reply. All right, there we go. We need to start working on Aariv's coding cup again. Which is something I have not been doing lately. I have not been working on Aariv's coding cup, and I should be. Sorry. He should add a deadline. I really because I work off of deadlines. That's what I do. So, by the way, Murphy1 said sure. Add me to the tag list. Cool. All right. And so let's just get started with this. The only thing I have done on this project is this square, and we found a color for it. We found a color for the square that makes it look like a coding background. We're creating a binary game. So let me just open up. Let me actually just open up Stream Chat because I think that people actually use Stream Chat. Yep, and people do use Stream Chat. And we already have 3 people watching. Oh, hey, Sunk M Productions. Yeah, I think you're the awesome boy. On Hopscotch, and hello, the CMS Studios. 4 people watching. 5? No, yeah, 5 people watching. Alright, cool. So, let's just get moving, because you guys don't want to watch me talking. You don't want to watch me just talk. You want to watch me actually do. And so we're gonna code this platform here to be a play button. I'm thinking we'll like animate the play button in to where like flies in. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually not gonna do that. That would be a bit hard. That'd be a bit hard, and the game is already going to get pretty complex. This is just the menu screen, so yeah. When the game starts, we gotta make this thing grow. And I'm thinking about doing a shadow, maybe like a shadow behind it, and you click it, and the shadow, and like pops down, pops back up. But I don't know. Anyways, we need to like grow it. Whoa! I can see what I'm saying on your screen. Yeah, you can. Whoa! 6 people watching, and we have beat a record, folks. Call all of your friends over. Yeah. That'd be great. Anyways, we need to set size to like 130. I'm thinking, because I'm wondering. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's black, which means we can't see it, and we need to make it so you can actually see it. Oh, 5 people watching now. Set color to an HSB, because I like HSB. I'm not going to be using anything else, sorry. And I'm going to use color mix to find the color that I'm looking for, and I'm not looking for a pink at all, so yeah, alright. 7 again, cool. 7 people watching. That's an even bigger record. You know what? We want to try to get like a blue. I'm thinking we're going to try to go for blue because that's kind of the theme that I've been doing lately. That I've been doing for that project. It's a blue project. No, that looks a little saturated. That looks undersaturated and just bad. That just look. Well, I'm trying to find like a color for a play button, a good button for a great play button color. Do any of you guys know great play button color? I'd like an answer in HSB, please, because that's the language I speak. And whoa-y, nice voice. Thank you. Trust Falls? Okay, is that like a location or just Trust Falls? Green. The awesome voice is green. The color green. So maybe I'll try that. I'll see what the color green looks like. And I really think no. It kind of looks like mold, I think. This kind of color. We want kind of a low saturation so you can see the play button. Actually, we'll just have to experiment, really. Ooh, I have an idea. So, how about for the platform, we will see what color this is. It is HSB 210 40 15. Alright, so what we're going to do is 210 40, and this time so you can comment here too. Yeah, you can comment on both places. I'm watching both places. I'm watching the forum on my iPad. By the way, get the Discourse app. This is I was not sponsored by Discourse. This video is not sponsored by Discourse. My mouse, I just realized it's low on battery. But yeah, definitely get that app. It helps you see notifications unless you really don't want to get distracted. We're going to increase brightness a whole lot more, like to 90. You haven't watched a stream before. Good live stream. Haven't watched a live stream before. Oh, and I couldn't read the rest of that. Let's see what the rest of that says. If I had an account, I'd give it a like. Cool, thanks. Tanks 2016. Tanked. That's just an interesting way to pronounce. All right. Now, where do we want that play button? It doesn't. I don't know. It doesn't really look too good. I think this color scheme that we're doing will have to probably stop. Trustfall says, so what are you coding exactly? So do you remember Aariv's coding competition? He made it a while ago, and he didn't put a deadline on it, which is bad. And so the theme this time is technology. And so I had the idea to make this game. It's made by Cisco, though you can see that, right? Yeah, you can see notifications. I can see notifications. And it's a binary game. So how you play is you start and you try to find what adds what do you add together to do 34. And so 32 plus 2 is 34. And then this is input. I'm not planning on doing input, by the way. I'm pretty sure that'd be that'd be a little hard for me, though I could. And then, but that would be 2. And then this is 64. I have 64 on the screen, and it gradually gets harder. Though I'm not planning on doing the harder part, the gradually get harder part. I'm just planning on programming one that works. And so, see, we try to get 32, and so 32 plus 0 equals 32. 64. It starts off easy, but it gets harder, guys. Trust me. 8, 4. And go download this from the App Store. It's an app only available for the iPad. I mean, for the iPhone. So you'll have to do iPhone only in order to get it on an iPad. But anyways, I think you guys might like that game. Check it out, and that's what I'm coding. And I am not getting too far. I need to try to get this game done as fast as possible. Alright. Maybe I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to play around with this value. I'm going to set hue to 0, saturation to 0 again, And then brightness, we'll keep at 15, see how that looks. Yeah, that could end up working, I'm thinking. I think that we might end up sticking with that if it contrasts well with this platform. And I know I do not have to, like, I know I just have to change saturation and brightness. But yeah, I like those 0, just looks convenient to me. Anyways, we now need to make that a little bigger. We need to make it 150, maybe instead of 130. It needs to, like, hold a play button that people will see. And I am going for kind of like that one binary game, the style of that one binary game that you just saw. Alright, I think that might be big enough. Maybe, yeah, not exactly. We're just gonna double the size. And I have an OtterBox on my iPad, so on the sides there's like a screen protector, and it's hard to click the backspace for the Hopscotch editor. And that's kind of troubling, but I like my OtterBox. It saved my iPad on multiple attempts because, yeah, I drop it. Alright. So now that we have the size, we're going to set position because I like to control the position of everything. And in my, yeah, 6 people watching the stream. And in my, what was it? I lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, in all of my projects, I try to not use trail art, ever. At all. I do not like trail art. It always seems to lag up the iPad, and it's very slow. So, unless I'm doing, like, a drawing, like a trail art coded drawing, I do not like... I do not like and do not use trail art. We're going to go down to 400. Alright, yeah, I think that might be a good location for a play button. And if you're wondering why are you putting the play button there and why not in the middle, you'll see in good time. I'm going up, actually, a lot. I'm going up to, like, 450. Ugh. Now, this is the part where the not where the not having good backspace really is bad. There we go. It is right in the position where I want it. You are right where I want you. How about the other side? Sunk M Production says, how about the other side? It looks better to me. I don't know about you, though. Oh, wait, why did you use a square instead of a rectangle? So he first says, why do you use a square? Why do you use a square instead of a rectangle? And then Happy Coder says, I played around with that in my game Atmosphere. Though probably not to the same extent. Yeah. How about the other side? It looks better to me. I don't know about you, though. What do you mean by the other side, Sunken Productions? There we go. I think that's in a perfect location. And we're going... Should we, like, just put the play button on immediately? Should we... Let's just create a clone. Create a clone. And then when the object is cloned... What we're going to do... We're going to make a shadow. That's what we're doing. We're making a shadow. We are going to... Set color. And we're just going to set that up all the way black, 0. Because you will see all the way black. And, oh yeah, I didn't move it yet. Oh, well, you can see it. Anyways, you can see it even though I didn't move it. Let's just copy this and bring it down there so that's the same size. And we're actually going to copy this and bring it down here. Except we're going to add 3. 753, 453. We're going to see how that looks. Ooh, that's right. We need to go -3. I forgot about that. That's kind of embarrassing. 747 and 447. Boom. Oh. We want to go forward actually for this one. We just want to go backwards for the other one. Ooh. Oh, yeah. And I got this the other way around. 47. 753. What? Ooh, wrong way. I did the wrong one. 750. 450. This is taking a little while. Lost 2 viewers doing this. 753. Oh, wait, yeah, 747, which is exactly what we want. No, wait, we don't want that. 753, 447. There we go. I think that's what we're going for. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, forgot about that. Okay, yep, there we go. We actually moved it. And then we're going to send back, which means you can't see it. And we're just going to constantly be moving this to back, which means we're going to repeat forever. Send it back. Yeah, look, you can actually see the shadow, but just barely. All of that work to get a shadow that you can barely see. But it actually does add a huge effect to the game. It does make the game it does make the game look awesome. Yeah, on my tag list, official mass tag list does not work here on the YouTube stream chat, which is probably good because they'd be mad at you for spam tagging them. Hey, why you tag on my tag list? Flagged. Okay. Well, now that we went through that adventure, looking for the play button, creating the play button, we are going to keep going. Let's see. What do we do next? Oh, we need to do play. Does clone index work? On my tag list, live stream with Hopscotch app hosted by Usamac 205. Just so you know, I already tagged them, so I'm pretty sure that everyone who is tagged will be kind of mad for getting tagged again. And some people are probably just here to prove that. And by the way, we have walkie-talkies, and my brother is talking to his friend on them, and so that's the noise. That's the explained noise in the background. Okay, boom. So what we want to do here is when object is cloned, we are going to, it's repeated too, because we want to make this create a play button too, right? Oh yeah, we're doing a check once if else. My best friend. Alright, check once if else, and then I think we're doing clone index, right? Clone index or total clones? I'm going with total clones, and when total clones equals 1, 1 is the shadow. 1 is the shadow, and 2 is going to be the text, I'm thinking, right? Set text to play. Oh man, I should I should just double click and We'll worry about the HSB later. There we go. Alright! That actually looks really nice. Ooh, except... total clone. How about total clones equals 0? Yeah, you see that shadow's not back there. How about clone index? Does clone index work? Or should we just create a value when clone index equals 0? How about when clone index equals 1? I do not want to create another value. No! Will I have to create another value? What about 2? Alright. We're just going to have to set value because... oh, self clone index. You mean original... original object clone index is what we're looking for, maybe. Yes! Except when it equals 0. Boom! Ooh. And that didn't work. Okay, that didn't work. Clone index equals... we can. It seems like we can either have one or the other. How does clone index work, guys? Am I doing it wrong? Is this not how clone index is supposed to work? How about when clone index equals 2? Yeah, it's the play. It gives me only the play button. Original index play button. So we know that when it equals 1, we get this value, but then yeah.
The trampoline's breaking.
All right. Just a second here. It's not working, guys. Can anyone help me? How does the clone index work? Do I have to, like... Alright, yeah, I'm just creating a value because I have no idea how clone index works. So I'm just creating a value called clones. Come on, does somebody know how this works? See, I choose not to mess with clones. Stop, it works. No, it does not work. Yeah, I like messing with clones anyway. Even though they're hard to mess with, I enjoy messing with clones because it's fun and you can use minimal object waste. Oop, we do not want to set value, we want to increase value of clones by 1. There we go. There we go. There we go! Yeah! Ooh, oh wait, I did it the wrong way. Wrong way. There. What? What didn't work about that? Oh! Oh, wait. I know what's wrong, I think. What's wrong is it's self clones. It's either So both of the objects can be only one thing. They can either be a shadow, the shadow, or they can either be the play button. And does it change? Oh wait, I think I know how to change this. And then we're going to wait 100 milliseconds. And that didn't work. I know we have. Check once if. Clones equal to. Maybe this will help us. Because this should only repeat once. Both of the clones should only repeat themselves once, right? Or is the create a clone automatically like a repeat forever block? And now it doesn't work. Ooh, yeah, that's right, because it's original object clones needs to be set. That's right. That's right. Original object. Original object. Boom! Nailed it. Everything's taking me a long time today. And everything should not be taking me a long time. I need to be watching my Hopscotch notifications more. Oh, what was your question for me? Okay. Well, never mind. I don't need to be checking my Hopscotch notifications more. Alright. Now that we're done with that huge catastrophe, let's keep going. Let's hope that we aren't doing everything slow today. When self is tapped, we're just going to set the value of game to 1. How hard could that be? Setting a value. We're just setting a value of game to 1. Wait, we need to check once if tutorial equals true or false. Because if tutorial equals false, we'd set game to 2. And we're getting a lot of notifications now. Ooh. Let's keep going here. So we're going to check once if else. Tutorial, which is a new variable. Tutorial, which is a new variable, equals 1. And then if it equals 1, we set game to 1. Else, check once if tutorial equals 0. I have 5 new discourse notifications. Okay. By the way, I don't have iOS 11 or 12, so I don't have those grouped notifications. Please read chat. Seriously, everyone is helping except me, a happy coder. Bro, the clone index work. You had to look closely. Don't make a new variable. Okay, yeah, it did work, didn't it? I just did everything wrong. Did everything very wrong. And when tutorial equals 0, we're gonna copy this value and set game to 2. And then something else we're going to have to do actually here Uh, just a second. Just a second. I'll be right back. And I have a fancy be right back thingy. Where is it? Right here. Play. Alright, guys, so I just realized something. I didn't do a piece of homework that takes around 30 minutes to do. Maybe less. Alright, 20. I just over exaggerate things. Maybe 15. 15 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to change this we'll be right back thing. And so call this intermission and tell me if you want to call this intermission. We'll be right back in 15 to 30 minutes. And then intermission. So go grab snacks. Go grab snacks and chat on the forum, build up hype, or watch my iPad go wild with all of your notifications. Yeah, you could literally just spam this thing. And we will... Oh, we need to lower the size a little bit. And we will... Hopefully... And we will be right back. Oop, we need to move it over. Yeah, I could literally do a whole new... There we go. Alright! And see you guys soon.
perform from day one.
And we are back on. Hey guys, sorry about that. Finished the confirmation worksheet, and I'm gonna see how much spam you guys collected. And yeah, the topic on Hopscotch is up to 171 posts. And let's look at the YouTube chat. And on the YouTube chat, we have how many posts? We have like a whole bunch of posts per second. Alright, 0.5 messages a minute, which is actually kind of bad. on the YouTube. So you guys did great on the forum, not so much on the YouTube chat. Anyways, let's get back to programming. Let's see where we're at. You disliked the live stream? Come on, let's see. How many dislikes have you guys given? How many dislikes? I don't. You know that disliking the live stream doesn't help us, right? It in fact kind of discourages YouTube for me. It kind of says these videos are inappropriate and bad and should not be viewed by YouTubers. And should not be viewed by different YouTubers. The quality's low and everything. I'm just going to check out all of these dislikes though real quick, which I'm hoping. So what I try to do is I try to get the likes at least to outweigh the dislikes. Let me look up myself. And whoa, okay, 3 likes and 4 dislikes. Alright, that works. Sadly, I wish that you guys... Okay, it was a prank. Please just don't do that prank again. It makes YouTube not like me. But anyways, let's remember where we're at the project. Okay, so we have the glorious play button. When you press the play button, it messes with the value. And that's all. By the way, let's just notify everyone that intermission is over. Does somebody else want to do that for me? Should I? And I'm scrolling through all these spam posts to get my tag. Wait, is it already copied to clipboard? It might already be copied to clipboard. Oh, no it isn't. Let's go through all of this. Oh, by the way, you guys might want to see my computer during this. So we're getting through all of this spam. And here we go, the actual video. We're going to copy this tag list. I do not want to tag official mass tag list again. I'm going to leave that up to you guys to get. Okay, there we go. I lost the connection in my mouse. Great. Yeah. I lost the connection in my mouse. I can literally do like nothing with my mouse now. Perfect time for that to happen. My mouse is like rechargeable. No, I want you, mouse, please. Please, just turn on for a little more. Alright, I'm going to, like, do a we'll be right back thing. Because I need to go grab, like, By the way, post games! Post games, because apparently I'm going to be playing games for a little bit. Alright, I shall be right back. I shall be right back, okay? While I grab the charger for my mouse. And I need to find a way to, like... Oh, I'll be right back. This mouse works as a substitute for now while I charge my other one. This mouse I don't really like, which is why it's a substitute mouse. Alright. Alrighty here. Now I have this mouse! Yeah, a mouse! Alright. Now I can move. Now I can, like... Should I tag everyone? I think you already tagged on my tag list. Oh yeah, I need to turn off the music now. Yeah, this is why I hate this mouse. Totally the reason why I hate it. Because the left click doesn't work too well. And I am turning down the music. Does that turn down the music for you? Or does that... Just a second here. Do you guys hear the music over there? Is it good? We're staying in Brave now. I'm live streaming. Hey! Who changed the topic title? You weren't supposed to do that, guys. Sorry, it's kind of confusing stream today. We're probably gonna like pause for technical reasons. I'm gonna do like we'll be right back again. You know, for one stream, what we should do is we should work on the we'll be right back. Where I just spend the whole stream making the we'll be right back thing look really nice. Technical difficulties. And we're gonna play that. Sorry guys. Having a lot of trouble with technical difficulties right now. Maybe what I'll do is I'm going to switch microphones maybe. Oop, just slept my computer. My computer went to sleep. Which tells me how my computer's feeling. It's feeling tired. But anyways, just give me a second here. And I am creating a new layer real quick, and then we're going to switch audio so that you can hear me. I'm just going to go grab a charger. Alright. And I am now going to go grab Alright, so I'm going to go grab a charger. And I'm going to plug my mouse in. Oop, wait, wrong type of charger. We have a lot of them. You know what, I'm just gonna bring my mouse over to the charger. Alright, now we're switching back. Ooh, I like this music. Alright. I'm sorry about that. Technical difficulties. This is the greatest topic of all time. Thank you. Though I think you didn't mean that. And I'm going to change it back to stream channel because I do not like pranks. At all. Which means I am changing it back. I don't know. Stream channel Hopscotch Gamers. Though that statement is true, Yusumak is smelly. In a good way, Yusumak smells good. Oh yeah. By the way, I'm getting notified for all of those on my tag list runs. But anyways, we are not getting anything done, which means we must get things done because that's important, right? And we have 4 viewers because we lost 2. 8 viewers? We had 8 viewers at one time? No way. Anyways, we're doing text up here. We're gonna call it like binary game right around here. When game starts, we're gonna grow very big. Set size to like 250. And we have 5 viewers. And now we are going to like set color to an HSB value because I love HSB. The values rock. Here's color mix. Just close those other applications in the way. Which color do we want the binary game to look like? I can make you a right back sign. I can make you a be right back sign. It'll give me something to do. Make me a be right back sign. Oh yeah, and then you can put like in the credits made by CMS Studios. Though it need to be made. Though it would need to be made like in an iPad mode, an iPad kind of a definition. Unless you're actually going to make it in Photoshop, I can use things from Photoshop. What should we call this? What value should we be using? Should we just use another shade of gray? I really want to use blue. Really badly. Let's just see where we're at here. I'm thinking we can do like, in the binary game they had like a yellow sort of thing. I'm thinking we might be able to do that here. They had yellow and pink. No, we aren't doing that. Alright, we're just gonna mess with values in Hopscotch and see what we get. So we're just gonna go 172, and we're gonna just go with that value that Hopscotch set, and we're just gonna do 20 saturation. Oops. We do not need a sine value for this. I do not want to use those right now for this game. Set this to 20. No, we don't want to set this to 20. We want to set, and then no, saturation to 100. Set brightness to like 20. It's gonna look horrible. Oop, we didn't set text. I forgot about that. We need to set text to binary game. This is the problem with making an and we lost viewers. With making an application, a game, without... Ooh, that looks awful. We need to decrease the saturation. Problem with making a game without a layout already in mind. You have to come up with the layout yourself. And the music is kind of distracting me a little bit. Saturation is 20, but we want to bring it way down. We're going to bring also brightness up. It needs to be up to like 60. And saturation, we're making 15 actually. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's right. We didn't mess with this one. Wait, I wonder if we put this after the set text, I'll learn something new if it changes color. Yes, it does! And that looks ugly. Ooh, I just had a great idea. Idea spark. I'm gonna call this 4 viewers. I'm gonna call this binary. And binary is going to be a color. Binary is going to be pink. Which means, yeah, kind of like a pearl. I'm kind of using, it's kind of like pastel colors here. Not this type of pink, we kind of want this end, kind of a little darker. But then it needs to be light, okay. Never mind, we don't want pink, we're just going to stick with blue for that one value. Binary 172. And it's gonna look, I might end up making it look better by making it bold. So we're gonna add a repeat, set the value to 50, create a clone. And then over here, when object is cloned, I'm still watching as always. Yeah, thank you CMS Studios. Even when my stream is boring, you still watch for some reason, by the way. Because you're just awesome. Set position. What are we setting this position to? We're setting it to like 8. No, not 800. We're setting it to 300. Not 000, 300. And then this is 700. Oh, too high. Too high. Oh, too high. 600. Not 00600. For 600. Too low. By the way, CMS Studios, if you feel like joining me in Google Hangouts, if you have headphones this time, actually, that's a rule. No, because the echo kind of drives me bonkers. Oop. Binary. I'm thinking this is a great location. Yeah, it's a perfect location. No, wait, it's not perfect location. We're gonna set like 40. 640. There we go. That's good. Because we need clones. We're gonna need to work with clones for this. Gonna copy this. Add it over here. Paste. Random. And then random. 2, 9, 8, 2, 3, 0, 2. And then for this, I'm gonna do a random of. By the way, I was planning on doing a game called Super Fight, but that got canceled. But that got canceled for some reason. 642. And the reason why I mentioned that is because I use the same bold text in there as I'm doing here. And that's kind of important to note. You might want to note it at least. And I'm going to show that to you. I'm hoping to show that to you to see what you think. It was meant to practice simple animation. I was working on that project to practice simple animation. There we go! Bold. Bold. Binary game. And we're going to have like a game somewhere else. Anyways, I'm just going to show you the bold that I did in the Super Fight game. Right here. That I canceled. And smooth animation there, and then this should work better on newer devices. It's just mine's 32-bit of factor, but those should decrease size way faster. And then see how I did that bold? See how I did that bold text? I just thought that was cool. I don't know about you. And this is the lowest latency that I've gotten on a project. On a live stream. It's super great. Yeah, that's a lot, isn't it? Alright. 6 counting you. Alright. Let's check out this. Oh, wait. Wrong prod. Oh, yep. We're in binary game. I thought that we were still in Super Fight. And now I'm thinking. Yeah, Hopscotch, I updated Hopscotch, and even though it's been 1 hour and 29 minutes, no, the stream hasn't been 1 hour and 29 minutes according to my clock. According to my clock, it's been, 1 hour and like 16 minutes. Almost 17. This is taking a little while to load. A very long time to load. They said when they updated Hopscotch that it would fix this loading bug, but it did not for me at all. I think the issue with my project is that I'm running iOS betas. That's probably the issue, CMS Studios. I can't run iOS betas anymore, sadly. I used to enjoy doing that. I used to run every single beta. But then they created like developer. Anyways, I am going to quit Hopscotch and rejoin and re-go into the app to see if it'll load faster now. I think I'm gonna stop testing the beta and see what happens. Yeah, the problem with that CMS Studios is that I did try it on my iPad and it did just the same thing that it would do on your iPad. That it would do on your iPhone, I mean. Oh wait! How bad? Can you publish? I need to restart my iPad. So I need to restart my iPad since it's loading bad. So publish projects that you want me to play during this time. And I will play projects for a little bit. And off goes the iPad. And I'm gonna switch screens over to my desktop. Alright. And now we are back on my desktop, where I will be waiting for you guys to post your projects. Please just post them right here. please post them on the stream channel, and I will check them out during this time. How do you test iOS betas? You go to their developer page. Oop, and my computer just turned off. Yeah, here's my coder. A software update is required to connect to Ian. By the way, I name all of my devices. Not now. You guys should really try it sometime. It's kind of fun. Okay, and my iPad's up again, so I didn't have time. I'm actually going to go soon. I just want to wrap the. I'm gonna finish doing the main menu, and then I'm gonna go. And I'm gonna go work on some other things, do some other things. Boop. And I keep on turning off my computer. That's not supposed to happen, just to let you know. And just a quick minute, I'm going to. Oh yeah, CMS Studios, I did play your business simulator. We're going to actually play a project, and then we're going to be done for this stream. Sorry. We're going to play the business simulator. I guess I'm just not feeling ready for ready to stream much today. By the way, we have Alright, so I think it's showing my computer. Yep, it's showing my computer. Alright, so we're gonna play Business Simulator by CMS Studios. And we're gonna stop the music. That's the problem with the horrible left click on this mouse. Alright, well, let's get started. Business Simulator, play. And we're going to wait for that to shade. We're going to turn up the sound. Ooh, okay, that's too loud. Um, these are tabs you can click on to get status, upgrades, and settings. After opening a tab, tap the tab again to close it. Oh, and there we go. So we start off with $18 or $19. Alright, the music's getting annoying. I played this project before, and so I know that if you go here to settings, you can turn sounds off, which I really find no use for this feature, because if sounds are on and the bird is constantly making noise, you can just click on the mute button. Anyways, hire a worker. Let's see what this does. Yep, we get more money. And then extra cups. Extra cups. There we go. Now we do it faster. Keeps on moving faster. Also, CMS Studios, I saw you had that problem. You had that air showing up in the middle of the project at like the same time every time. That happened on my iPad, though I don't know if it'll happen on my computer because I didn't have the link on my computer. But yeah, let's wait until it's daytime. Give me some money.
Explain explain how that much people want lemonade at St.
I could explain that. There we go.
Explain why he is blue.
He's probably like male. It's trying to represent a male. By the way, can you guys hear Logan in the background?
Hi.
I'm going to see if you can hear Logan in the background. By the way, we have to like wait for a long time anyway for it to get $300. I hope that doesn't do that. I hope that it doesn't do it on the computer. Also, the status tabs helps you much you get per earning. Okay, yeah, the status tab tells us how much we get per earning. That's cool. It starts off with no money. Okay. And we might have enough money now. Nope, we do not have enough money. Anyways, can you hear Logan? I'm going to see if you can hear Logan. Alright. Oh, wrong one. Alright, Logan, talk. Alright, you guys. You guys can barely hear him. Here, we're going to just switch over to my built-in microphone. There you go. Now you'll hear him. Except I'm quieter too. But now I don't need to wear my headphones, and that's nice. Go back over to Business Simulator. I have like all my brothers around me. Logan is here too. And he's saying hi a lot. Good. Upgrade business. And I don't remember how this looks. Oh yeah, it's a house. Really, CMS Studios, I think that you could have done better with the, like, art of the building, like how the building looks. Like in house, I would like some windows here, and maybe, like, you could see through the windows. You can see some furniture in the windows. That's what I would do, at least. And I'm just going to purchase all that I can right now. And it's like an upgrade business to 600.
How do you spell business?
And also, I think what you could have done here is for the roof, you could have added another. You could have like cloned that triangle.
Oh, you're closed. It's nighttime.
Cloned that triangle to make like an outer roofing.
Not what?
To make it look like shingles or something. And I also think you could have done boards down the logs down the house, since I'm suspecting that this is a log cabin. I'm just telling you what I would do. I would take the time to look at all the little details of each object. And I know that you are a really good programmer and that you are able to add these details. But anyways, let's wait till we get to 600, and I am switching notifications over to my screen over to my iPad so I can see what you guys are telling me, because I do not want to switch screens in this computer. So I'm going to open my YouTube app.
It's on YouTube that you're streaming on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm streaming to YouTube.
Wow. That's what most people do.
Some people also stream to Twitch.
And Mixer.
But I don't know
I wouldn't
who.
stream, I would just make videos.
I'm going to go over to Hopscotch and I'm going to paste a poll. Where do you like to watch streams most? And here comes the poll part. Do you like to watch it on YouTube? Twitch? What's that? Mixer?
And I think there's a...
There's another one. I know there's another one.
Instagram.
We can stream to Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
Do you guys prefer Instagram? Instagram. I'm just gonna put that on there because I can find a way to stream to Instagram. I always show who voted just because I like to see who voted on these polls. There. And
I honestly like Twitch.
I'm debating between these two. I like Twitch, but then I also like YouTube.
I've never even heard of what is Twitch? It's a streaming
Twitch is a
site?
streaming service.
Oh, $9.
And we have enough to upgrade our business.
By what?
Upgrade business. Now this business, I think we could have done a lot better. Look at electronic store. I'm gonna look up Hopscotch Gamers real quick on here so that I can watch the notifications. YouTube, it's much easier for me to watch your streams. Ugly, I couldn't figure. So these are all gonna be comments from CMS Studios.
Is he streaming?
Hope it doesn't do it on the computer. Also, at the status tab, that tells you how much you get per earning. Supposed to start with $0, but I didn't fix that. Ugly,
Joshua. You can hire team, create info, hire production.
I think I can do basically everything right now.
Besides upgrade the business.
Because that's blanked out.
But it says you can still
And
do a
it says, Ugly, I know I couldn't figure out how to do it, but I'm still planning on updating it in the future. Also, this electronic store, I just think you could change the color. Really? Electronic stores aren't usually brown. Right, guys?
Well,
Let's look it up on Bing, since Bing has safe images. I do not want any bad images to appear on accident. We're going to look up electronic store, and we're going to do electronic
if I put my face in the computer, would they be able to see my
store. Nope.
Oh.
And we're going to do images of electronic stores. Ooh, we want exteriors, because that's what you're showing. Exterior. Exterior. Is that how you spell it? Probably. See, it's all...
Best Buy.
Every single one of these...
That one's kind of brown. That one's like red.
That one's red, not brown.
Yeah.
But see, they're all like a grayish black. They're kind of shiny, glossy,
blue.
and wood and brown is not exactly shiny and glossy.
That is definitely like something.
This looks like your standard electronics store right here. This is a really good representation of your standard electronics store.
Yeah.
Anyways, back to Business Seminar, where we have $2,100. You guys should join me on streams more often.
Right.
We're gonna upgrade business.
We should?
Yeah, you guys should.
Oh, I thought, yeah.
Ooh, we're now a huge electronics store. So this would be like a Best Buy kind of
Looks
store.
more smaller though than the other one.
Here, we like took... Ooh, yeah, it does. It looks smaller than our lemonade stand.
But, I mean,
But
it
hey.
might have better electronics than your lemonade stand.
Mm-hmm.
Your lemonade stand actually I don't think had any electronics.
Alright, we're gonna, like, produce more. Just because I prefer producing more over producing faster. And ultimately, this game's a waiting game, so... Ooh, by the way, that reminds me. Who here has played my I Am Patient, Are You Patient game?
I have. Not me.
Alright.
I don't play Hopscotch.
Alright. Well then, you got, well then you can look it up on my profile, Usamac205. Are You Patient? Just scroll down. Fearless Phonix. Could you people please maybe not keep spam tagging official mass tag lists? You're basically violating the rules of the official mass tag list tag, so please stop. Yeah, that's what I keep telling them. I just tag once per stream, but except everybody else, we're producing faster. And except everybody else likes to tag a lot.
What does tag mean?
It's what you do to notify people of.
Yeah. Text, kind of. Well, but you keep on asking them questions, so they always have to tag.
No, they don't always have to tag because I'm automatically watching the topic. Anyways. Okay, so we're now gonna wait.
I did nothing. John, hello again. I tried to move it and see what that one was.
Hey, it stopped.
No,
Oh,
that's
right. It's just nighttime.
Okay, so you can.
Anybody else have any other games that we could play like while we're waiting?
Ooh, my game. No.
Your game?
No.
All right.
No.
We'll play Elisha's game.
No. Why do you have 7,000? Please help me. Don't let me. I'm gonna let you die.
Do you think
I'm gonna let him die.
Do you think that you can send me the link
What link?
to your game?
I don't think so.
I like it.
Matthew.
It's like better than most of the games on Featured now because Featured now stinks.
I need to send them my name. Hey, Joshua, so how
Who agrees? Featured now stinks.
Hey, Joshua, how do I send it to you?
Just send it over iMessage.
But how do I send it over iMessage?
Remember the iMessage trick?
Nope.
You just go to iMessage. See that iMessage app?
Yeah, just
But then,
do it for me.
oh yeah, that's right. You need to like have age.
Yes.
Sorry about. And we are going to play Elisha's game. Oh wow, we have enough money. We have money to do things. We get to hire a team.
Look at
Woo! Help Bear Get Home is the game. And we're going to send it to me.
Look at stuff.
And I'm going to grab it from over here, right here. Yep. There we go. And Help Bear Get Home by Great Sharks.
It shows a picture of dolphin. That's actually a shark. Just press
Okay.
this button, I think.
No, you don't press this button. You actually swipe.
You have to swipe on this one?
Ooh, and then you die.
Yeah,
You
it's
try
hard
to
on
get
the
past the
computer.
obstacles.
Maybe you should do it on the iPad.
Ah, there we go. Ah, no, I died.
Matthew, stop. Hey, it's fun. It's gonna make you more successful. Zoom is the word.
Okay,
You
yoo-hoo!
That does not make sense. You lost and you won at the exact same time. Pretty interesting. Matthew, stop.
Alright. This game is hard, especially on a computer.
Yeah, you should maybe try it on the iPad.
By the way, we're going to see how far we got in Business Simulator. Ooh, this is enough.
Oh, la la.
And we probably have nobody watching. Yep, only one person watching the stream.
Yes.
But hey, that's okay. CMS Studios is great.
Every single person that watches counts.
Thank you for playing. Hope you enjoyed.
How do you-
Continue playing.
How do you get that on this, Josh? How do you get to that
Okay.
So I guess
And
it
so
doesn't work anymore?
we won the game.
No, I guess it keeps it on. But it doesn't.
We have basically won the game.
After electronics, it should just go to like a skyscraper. Yeah, a skyscraper.
A skyscraper would be
votes.
awesome. Let's see the votes we got. We have 1 Twitch and 1 YouTube. Come on, let's keep going. YouTube because it's easier to watch your streams. That's probably because you have the YouTube app. If you get a Twitch app, it'll probably be easier for you on Twitch because they send you emails. I don't know. Twitch is my preferred. Anyways,
Also,
thank you for joining me, everyone who joined. And if you aren't here, thank you for joining earlier. And today we had some technical difficulties, but bye. Wait, we need to stop from the encoder. That's right. Oh wait, how many viewers do we have? We have 2 viewers. Oh, it's kind of a shame to stop it from the encoder. But hey, we're going to do it because I don't know. I'm not exactly feeling the spark. Which way? Here it is. All right. And